For me, there are many variety of high quality educational session and controversial session. Many satellite symposium is also intriguing, and also while boxing topic session is very attractive to the young junior oncologists. So yesterday, the keynote lecture, the tumor evolution, heterogeneity, and also controversy is dealing with the premenopausal woman, whether we can decrease the chemotherapy lymph node positive, 1, 2, 3, or hormone receptor positive premenopausal woman. This is the most controversial issue in nowadays breast oncology. That is touched as elegantly and yesterday the controversial session.